What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Seaport Mike's Auto coming with another video. As y'all can see what's going on, what I got in my hand. To all y'all GM owners out there, they do not have a video about this. I really just found out what was going on with my car. This is an 05 Pontiac Grand Prix with a 3800 Series 3 engine. What I noticed is when I pull this off to clean it, because a lot of videos they got on YouTube showing you all how to clean it, so tutorials and stuff showing y'all how to clean it with a toothbrush and use this carpet cleaner to clean it, and with a shop towels and stuff like that. So I did it. It looked good. Look, it's clean, and then the rubber seal breaking, and they talking about you have to get a whole unit to replace that seal, but that's really like bull crap. But anyway, see, it look good and clean. I clean it. It did run better, way better, smoother idle, stronger acceleration. So what I'm going to tell y'all guys about this, what I'm going through, is when I pull this throttle body off, I'm gonna make this video real fast because it looks like it's about to storm. Out here. So I'm gonna make this video very fast. I've noticed water coolant, engine coolant was built up in this intake. Soon I pull this throttle body off. See, this is a dry-by-wire throttle body. No sensors or nothing, just a motor dry-by-wire harness. See, this connection, pull the connection, and it'll pop right out. But I noticed water, a lot of water, when I unbolted these two nuts at the bottom. A lot of water spewed right out of this lip of this intake. So I assumed that I'm gonna need to get probably the lower intake gaskets and the upper, but I believe it's gonna be the upper intake gasket. So the intake gasket fell, even though on a Series 3 engines they made it a little more better than the Series 2 engines, because they had a lot of leaking problems in the intake. But this one also have it too, but not as bad. So yeah, I came up with the problem on this one. Yeah, so I figured out it's the bottom intake. It's the bottom intake causing these cars to stall out and have a short and a long time to crank. Soon I pulled that throttle body off, a lot of water just hit this cross pipe and it was steaming. So yes, I have a problem with this intake gasket, manifold gasket, and it depends, but it's not mixing with my oil, so I'm not going to break the lower one down. I'm just going to take this off. I should make a video about this. I'm gonna remove the upper intake, and I'm gonna replace the upper intake gasket. So yes, that's the problem going on with these engines not cranking, because I tried everything. I ain't tried a crank sensor or nothing. I don't have no codes or nothing. I pulled a diagram and everything out. I didn't found nothing. So no codes or nothing. What I found out, with a lot of coolant going in there, and it's flooding in and out, and it's hard starting in the morning. Every time you go crank your car up in the morning, it bogs down and harder to start. It's like if you about to run from somebody or something about to happen to you, somebody about to shoot you or something, hey, you're gonna be shot because this thing will not start. So hey, all you gotta do is pull these two bolts off, top bolts, and these two nuts, they 10 millimeters. Pull it off, clean it, put it back on. That's not the case. You want to remove this intake. So it look like little 8 millimeter bolts all around here. Remove this fuel rail, remove these wire harnesses, remove the plug wires, and boom, you got it. Replace the upper intake gasket. Hey, if y'all have any questions, please comment below and let me know what y'all think. 3800 engine, Series 2, very powerful engine, made by GM. Thanks guys. Make sure y'all subscribe and ring that bell if y'all want more videos. Thanks. See me on the next.